those like sensors where like you walk up to it without blocking the sensor and then it like reopens. It's pretty cool. It's my second time seeing that. Man, they completely modernized this thing.
Basement. Second floor.
Let's see if I can demonstrate this. Doesn't really work. Maybe you have to walk up to it, I don't know. This is a very nice mod. This is what every single elevator on Davis campus is about to look like.
First floor.
I think we got some pan chrome. Yeah. Here's the actual type. These are a bit different than the ones I've seen. Ooh. No. Let me try this. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Alright.